Bring the next pallet over here.
Watch the forklift on your left.
These look excellent. Make sure the next crates are just as good.
This batch looks excellent.
Yes.
Yes, the shine is perfect.
The temperature is holding steady at 985. Good, keep the paddles moving slowly.
Check the viscosity reading on screen 3. Looks stable, the flow rate is perfect. Everything is running smoothly. The cooling is consistent. Excellent work. Ready for the next phase. All right, team. This pallet is verified. Let's get it loaded.
Looks good. All pallets secured. Ready to close up.
Continue on the highway for 50 miles. Merge left for the Harbor Bridge.
Make sure the mango jam boxes are stacked evenly.
Roger that. I'll take this cart inside.
All right, I'll start cutting these open. Oh, this looks delicious.
And it's on sale this week. We should get a few.
Mum, look, the mango one. Can we get this one, please?
Okay, sweetie, let's try the mango jam. It looks delicious.
Here is your change and your bags, folks. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you very much. Everything was very smooth.
Here's the mango jam toast, sweetie.
It's so good, Mom.
Can I have more? Experience the rich, golden perfection of our premium mango jam.
Your premium mango jam shipment, all secure.
Thank you very much.
Feel free to try a sample. It's our new premium mango jam.
Oh, thank you. It looks wonderful.
Look at this premium mango jam.
We want that one, Daddy.
Okay, sweetie, let's get it. This mango jam is exquisite. Yeah.
It really is. The croissants are wonderful, too.
This mango jam is incredible.
It really is the best.
More pancakes, please, Dad.
Be careful not to drop it, sweetie.
This mango jam is incredible. Where did you find it?
It really is the perfect picnic day.
From our farms to your table, Golden Mango Jam travels the world to bring you the taste of quality and freshness.
From nature's finest mangoes to your family's breakfast table,